guys, good morning. So right now we are here at the Denpasar Airport here in Bali, Indonesia. So I am currently waiting for my driver. I actually called the hotel. And so that's our car. Okay, ito na yung pick up natin from Permata Kuta Hotel. Let's go. Yun guys, palabas na tayo ng airport. At ito na ating sundo. And ito yung car natin, kulay pink. Pati sa loob, kulay pink. So right hand drive dito, katulad sa Bangkok and Singapore. So that's their airport. Goodbye for now. See you in a few days.
A few moments later.
So I'm gonna share with you the pool area of my hotel here in Bali. So they have here umbrellas and sunbed. So it's perfect for sunrise. As you can see, the sunrise is on that part. So you can lay down here and do your sunbathing. That's the pool. So I am inside the sunken bar where they serve drinks to their guests. So that's the connection of the pool, and there's a jacuzzi right there, a big jacuzzi on that part. So it's super tropical, super shady, contrast of blue water and greens, trees, and the color brown of the building and white. It's complementing each other. It's really good. So we're now going to our room. Our room is room 329. So here, okay. So we're gonna have to insert it and take it. Let's open it, and then we're gonna insert it again here for the power. Okay. Whoa. See. Okay. So let's come in. So I want to give you a room tour of my hotel room here in Bali, Indonesia. So I've got a large bed here with 2 lamps and 2 bedside table. And this is the bathroom, a big bathroom. So large mirror, you can see me. Very nice headboard with intricate design of, I think it's a Balinese design. So I have here the phone and some notes here for whatever I've got here. A large closet for my luggages and for my bags. Table here, television set, another table with tissue holder. Okay, perfect. I'm sweaty. So I've got here menus, I guess, for the restaurant, and I have here breakfast table with a little chair with mini ref underneath it, and we have water kettle, mugs, and what's this? Instant coffee, sugar, sweetener, white sugar, tea, cream. Okay, so and beside the breakfast table we have here like a nook. So we have a nook. I want to show you. That's the view. So that's actually a restaurant or a breakfast buffet area for tomorrow's breakfast. So it's really nice. It's actually Asian inspired. You can see the rooms across the building. I'm on the 3rd floor, and on the lower ground, that part is the gym. So we're now going to check the bathroom. Oh, so we have a huge shower area with glass panels right here. So this one is frosted, so we have privacy. We have a mirror here with a sink, glasses for brushing your teeth, complimentary soap, and toiletries right here, toothbrush, and wonder what's inside. Oh, what's this? Shower cap and sanitary bag. Okay, let's keep it inside. Tissue paper. We've got towels here, and there's a reminder here. Okay, so that's it. That's pretty much it. So that concludes my room tour here in Bali, Indonesia. I'm gonna update you with my activities for today. I think I'm gonna be having a full blast and a really ultimate massage experience here in Bali. So I wanna update you guys with that later. So see you later, guys.
A few moments later.
after ng relaxing massage and body scrub, ginger tea.
The next day.
So this is the VIP lounge at the deck, and here is the breakfast buffet. So this is the vegetable area with fish crackers, bread, more bread, white bread, and brown bread. This is just a decoration, not to eat. Okay. We've got jams here, papaya jam, carrot jam, watermelon, maple syrup, chocolate. This is the mix for the porridge. You have to mix it with the porridge. This is the porridge. Condiments, white rice. Oh, it's called nasi goreng Bali. Mi goreng. Urab sayur. Urab sayur is like the vegetable. And the chicken is ayam kekap. Ayam kekap is really nice. Okay. So we've got condiments here. Like chilies, onions, and ginger. Sambals. Okay. So here's the juices. And tea, coffee, donuts and fruits. Puddings, fruit, compote, yogurt. Wonder what's inside. Pancakes. Ooh, they have pancakes right here. And there you can have your omelets right there. Donuts. And I think it's plantain. This is green bean, mung bean porridge. Mung bean porridge. Got your iced tea water and your mango tea.